MeghalayaPost.news.
Kinong penya jangka sekolah ba Ustm haringkat ki kena puli mata kesengi kala pelong dah ke jinglek Kmen hadien ke jingpen bana jangka NMC bakala long ke babit ban Plie ya ke Slam Ioh Jingbit MBBS ke ba shispa san posit apa ke P.A Sangma International Medical College and Hospital ke badan ha kendai mel berdua. Ya kini jaka puli ke belai kerteng ha wei nong sen pertai barim ubadiru kepa jo menteri ramba ke jelau kondat kisama kumkara ke burom ya ke jingno senyang ke jongu sya kini ke skul ba ke badai ke wei ni ke skul ba shimet ke behetam ha ke jela ke belaki Ustm ha kamtam ha gurkam sam ya ke jingnang jingsta ceki kena puli bermenta kelayo alat sendan men puli saya ke jaka ajingkai ni ke bentah ki bakwa puli doktor ya ke belai kerteng de ke P.A Sangma International Medical College and Hospital ha kini ke si lai shimenta langlu de ke kurim P.A Sangma ka suradini ke sama menteri rambak ke jelau kondat ke sama ka menteri jangka kuat ke kia ke kang ampri lingdo belajit ke par sendam badiru khon jongba dan ke paroi menteri barem ke jela iti mandal power minister ke sarkar jela hargat ke jingan dalang da mhok badai chancellor ke Ustm nang ta kino hingkai ki doktor bekhina puli haba kren hagani kesini nak leong kondat sangma 8 pau bo kejingyo ban Plie ya kini ke jaka puli doktor MBBS kalong kum kejing pot sniu ke bala wan ulong shisha buat udap da kejing Kmen walau kepa jungu dan syu ha ke selap pertai hendak kanam ke sa buat wa ai kublai kerpang yo chancellor ke Ustm ubadang kemau burom bat ai burom sendan ya kini ke jaka puli ha ke kerteng kepa jungu.
Keeping his word and promise that he had said that he will open this medical college in the name and fame of our legendary politician of the state of Meghalaya, Mr. P.A Sangma ji. Today, we look forward to the quick functioning of this medical institution so that the thousands of aspiring students in medical sciences have their dream fulfilled. This institution has assured the citizens you will be given this great opportunity of an additional 150 seats in MBBS from this institution. We are very, very grateful to the Ustm for having offered assistance both completely and partially to students aspiring to study MBBS in this institution. We put on record our sincerest thanks to the Ustm for making this possible for the students of the state of Meghalaya.
Just the name. Yes, P.A Sangma ji, it was somebody who has been a very, very important person politically for our state, for our region and the country. But the values that he had, the principles he had, I believe can be a great source of inspiration for the youngsters who are here today to learn from the humble background he came, the humility that he expressed, and yet in whatever challenge he faced in life, he always overcame those challenges with a smiling face. And I think that is a testament of his leadership, and I hope that the college and all of you will learn, and not just from his name, as I said, but from the history and from the person that he was and the values that he believed in. Having said that, health sector is very, very crucial to us. In the last 7 years, we have faced numerous challenges in health, and again, Meghalaya has not had a great history, I should say, when it came to different infrastructures and facilities for health. So it's been a great challenge for us for multiple reasons. And I don't want to get into all of that, but it's been challenging. But again, from day one, we have always believed that saving even a single life matters. Being able to give that small care to the person who needs it at the time when they need it the most matters more than giving lakhs and crores when they don't need it. And these small values have guided us to ensure that we start investing in healthcare. Our health minister has spoken about the future that we are going to work on. Yes, things are changing. We are seeing a lot of improvement things. But let me share you where we started off with. And when we started off, we had a lot of challenges. But now, in a matter of 7 to 8 years, you'll be happy to know that Meghalaya has today increased the money we spend on health to become one of the highest spenders in terms of healthcare to per capita or to the GDP calculation. We spend about 8% plus of our expenditure on budgets on healthcare, which is the highest in the country. The highest in the country. So we spend the highest amount of our budget compared to any other state on healthcare. Number two, we realize that it's not about just spending money. When you spend money, it has to be having the impact that you desire to have when you're spending the money. And hence we realize that we need to improve the overall infrastructures at the critical level, at the village level, PHC, CHC, sub-center, and all of those areas. We started investing in those. We realized that we need to keep training our manpower. We've invested in those. We realized that we have less doctors, and hence we were very excited when medical colleges like this and the Shillong and Tura medical colleges were in the pipeline. I can assure you, as our minister has said, that we will go to start the Shillong and the Tura medical college also very, very soon. We also realized that we need to ensure that medicine is provided to our people at the right time. And change in the medicine policy had to be done. Storages had to be created. Inventory had to be done in the correct manner so that the medicines would reach at the right time with the right quantity for the specific ailments and problems that they face in a systematic manner. And hence we created a complete online system to manage the medicines. So today we have actually a chart that shows us in the last 3 years, 4 years, how much of the medicine supply for what particular ailment went up in which particular district. And that is allowing us today to predict and ensure that when we know June is coming, so in this district, they will require this particular medicine more. So technology is being used today to predict what kind of medicine supply should be given at the right time. We are investing in machines so that people don't have to travel too far to be able to get the kind of, the treatment or the diagnosis that needs to be done. We are using technology like never before. I was sharing with our Finance Commission Chairman that today Meghalaya can tell you exactly how many pregnant mothers are there in the state.
Function we have organized, and I compare to make this occasion today for various reasons. We are having a celebration. I tried to escape this function, but if we are coming out from the rooms anywhere in the road, going to the building, even in the buses, even in the Sabzi Bazar, everyone wants that there must be celebration. So it is a compulsion on behalf of us that this function must be here, we must be smiling and we must be watching each other, and that's why this function is today. I want to express the heartfelt gratitude to the state of Meghalaya, especially Honorable Chief Minister, the entire team of Cabinet Minister and Health Minister especially, the IS officers who are the spirit behind of making this institution, the P.A Sangma International Medical College and Hospital. Today I must say it is only name. We have to show the performance in the coming days, and this is our commitment. It is natural that when there is a child not giving birth in a normal time, everyone worries. And if you find that it is taking more time, and finally you are getting the birth in a very heavy, or you can say with more weight of a baby, it becomes, in one side it is very good, healthy, but in the other side, the people who have given the birth, they get the more, you can say, attention, and finally they become more accountable to take care. So this is we must say the P.A Sangma International Medical College. It's a very healthy baby. It's not 50 kg. It's not 100 kg. It is 150 kg weight. This baby having the 150 kg weight, and we have to nurture. I don't know how it is, how it has been happened. And I also tell that this baby took the birth after a critical surgery. And lots of surgeons are there in this surgery. So, but baby is safe, and we all doctors from the P.A Sangma International Medical College sitting here, you are all efficient, you are all experienced that how this baby must be taken care of, so that one day we can say, we can feel proud that it is not only made intentional, it is, we have to show through our excellence that we can attract the people from the global community who are coming here for the healthcare.
meghalayapost.news